Roses. This is Charlotte Rose and welcome to my channel, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So guys, what I have here is a camera that I bought on OfferUp, and by no means do I know anything about camera. I just know that I be seeing all you YouTubers, all my roses using this. It's the T3i Camera, and I just thought it would be something I would look into getting. So I spent quite a while looking over specs on it on YouTube and stuff like that. Even with that, I still don't know nothing too much about it. But I saw this offer on OfferUp, no pun intended, and I said, let me jump on it. So what we have here, guys, what I got are 4 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also came with 2 charger ports, this one and this one. It also came with this thing. I know this goes on the lens. I'm not sure what this is called. I mean, I could easily look it up, but yeah, I don't know what it's called. Okay, and it came with this light. It came with the lens. You all know this lens. It says EFS 18-55 millimeter, and it came with a mic. It's the Takstar SGC-598. Like I said, guys, I don't know what that is. That might be the model number for that, but that's it. It also came with this thing that you could attach to the camera itself. It came with the camera, which seemed to be in, good condition. It need a little cleaning. Seems as if it has been used and stuff like that. Not seem as if it's been used, but it's not like, all the way old or not like that. I'm not sure how long the person had it, but it works. And also it came in this case right here. I'm not sure if this is how he bought it in the case when he got it, but and this case locks. It has a lock on it with like that, and I just moved this so you could see that there is storage in the back here. Maybe you could put, I don't know what you could put in here, but it looks cool. And I get to lock the camera away from my little touchy kids so it don't get broken. Okay, so that's it for this, guys. So I don't know, guys, I don't know if this is worth what I paid for it, which is a whopping $500. So my son is looking at me crazy because he asked me earlier how much I paid for it, and I told him a lot. So that's him looking at me crazy. Okay, so guys, I'm not sure if this is... Oh, I think I broke some, guys.
Yeah, you broke it.
I don't know where this came from.
It came from inside of the camera.
Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, guys, so yeah. And also, I picked this up at Walmart. It's their extension for the camera.
67.
You can put this on the tripod. Sorry, guys. And they had this on sale. So I got this whole thing here for $14.98. It came with a whole bunch of stuff in it. And also when I was checking, I realized one of this thing is missing. Maybe that's why they put it on clearance. but I don't know what that is. I haven't checked it out yet. And I also, so this is it over here, guys, with all the stuff in it. You could put this on your stomach, I guess, if you want to do recording and walk while you record. I'm not sure. It has some, this thing. That's a whole bunch. Like I said, one of this is missing. So that's the reason maybe why. But it's originally $19.99 and I got it for $14.98. So it's not bad. Also this tripod here, guys. Let me see if I could get the light on it. This tripod, I picked that up at the thrift store today for $14.99. $14.99. It's a, that's the name of it, Hakuba T-3500, and it's in fairly good condition, guys. So tell me what you guys think, if you think I got a good deal. I am not sure. Oh, I also bought a SIM card, a SD card. It's 64 gigabytes and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put this in and see how it works. Okay, guys, wish me luck. Bye. Please, guys, go like, subscribe, and comment under this video. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinion. Tell me if you think I overspent on this, underspent, got a good deal, and hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I put a new video up with this new camera. Okay, guys? Bye, my roses.
Hey, I want to say bye.
My son is saying bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.